Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss how to write the invitation and their replies. In this video, we discuss the format, how to write invitation and their replies. There are two types of invitation, that is formal invitation and informal invitation. Formal invitation are those invitations that we invite guests to formal events like birthday party, wedding, school functions. That is formal events. And informal letter are those that we are going to invite a friend on your success on personally you want to invite a relative or friend on any on the event, so we have to write a letter in this form. In An invitation can be in the form of a card or in the form of letter. When we have to write more than when we want to invite more than one person or two person, then we use the card form. And if we want to write only one or two person, then we use letter form. Okay, student, card form and letter form, that is a different how whenever we use. In the invitation card form you have, or in the letter form you have to write whom, when, where and what. Means the occasion on which occasion you want to invite the guest. Second is name of the invitee or host, date, time, venue. Other detail like name, designation and address of the organization, organizer, the organization, sponsor, host, name of the chief guest if there is any. All these things you have to mention in the card or in the letter. Each of the following is written in a separate lines, not in a simple one line. Use different lines for each step. First, name of the host, then name of the invitee. That is optional. If you want to write the name of the invitee, then you have to write. If you not want to write the name of invitee, then there is no need to write name of the host. Then formal phrases of invitation: request the pleasure of your company, the occasion you can quietly invite you. That is, you have to use the formal phrases. You can use any phrase. That is one example for you. Request the pleasure of your company, quietly invite you. As this is a phrases you have to use first. Then date, day, time, venue of the event, occasion, reason of the invitation. Now RSVP, that is, you have to write on the left side of the card. The person inform both cases whether attending or not attending, with the name, designation and telephone number. These are you have to write in the RSVP: name, designation and telephone number. In official invitation, the time by which the guests are to be seated, if there is you want to write, that is optional. The word limit not more than 50 words. So that is a format how to write the invitation. First we discuss the card form. So student, that is a card form. There is a St. Joseph Convent student want to celebrate an annual function, invite the parents and other guests. So you have to make a card for this. So you have to write the host. Now the host is school. Now in the school, that is principal, staff and student. Organization name: St. Joseph Convent School. Request the pleasure of your company on there. That is formal phrases of invitation you have to write. And the event is annual day function. Now next is date, time, place. That is thing. All the things write in a separate lines, not in a one line. And if there is a chief guest, then you have to write the name of the chief guest. Okay, student. Now last is RSVP. That is Mr. Peter, that is principal, vice principal and their phone number. So that is the card. This card admit only two. That is annual function in the school, so that is you have to write only that. This card is only for two person. If you want to write this line, you have to be seated by 4:30 p.m. That is not necessary, up to you. So that is a format of formal card. First we discuss the letter. That is, you are Manoj and Manjula. Write a letter of invitation to all your friends for the party you are giving to celebrate your selection in the BTech course. Then in the sense you want to give a party to your friends because you are selected in a BTech course, and or write a letter to your friends. First you have to write your send address, date, then dear Mehul. You want to write your friend, that is Mehul. Guess what? My family has decided to celebrate my selection to the BTech course at DJU with the party. So please join the celebration at my residence. Now it's given the place, date, and also the time. So you have to write these things also in the formal letter. And your affectionately Manoj and Manjula. That is a letter form. If you want to give the reply in the form of acceptance, then you have to write in this way. Acceptance you have to write in this way. First you have to write the send address. Now dear, congratulations on your success. Thank you for the invitation. I will definitely be there to celebrate this great achievement. So that is the acceptance. If you are not come to the function, then you have to write in the similarly way. Congratulations on your selection. Thanks for the invitation. But now you are declining the invitation. What you have to write? I am sorry, I am not able to come on this occasion, on this great occasion, because I have an urgent meeting on that day with my boss. You can say that with my doctor, so not able to attend the party. But I will come. Come to meet you later. Your affectionately Mehul. In this way you can write the declination. So student, that is the format of the invitation. In this invitation we have write three things, that is card form, then letter form, and their acceptance and declaration. Okay students, if you have problem you can discuss with me.